Hi children, today in English we are going to learn about the topic ending sounds. We are going to learn the ending sounds for some letters. First, D. D. The ending sound for D is id. Id. Bed. Bed. Here the ending sound for bed is id. Next, red. Red. The ending sound for red is id. Id. The next letter is G. The ending sound for letter G is g. G. Frog. Frog. The ending sound for the word frog is g. G. Log. Log. The ending sound for the word log is g. G. Next, P. P. The ending sound for P is tap. Tap. Here the ending sound for tap is p. Next, cap. Cap. The ending sound for cap is p. P. The next letter is T. T. The ending sound for the letter T is t. Cat. Cat. Here the ending sound for the word cat is t. T. Boat. Boat. Here the ending sound for the word boat is t. Next, N. N. The ending sound for the letter N is n. N. Fan. Fan. The ending sound for the word fan is n. N. Sun. Sun. The ending sound for the word sun is n. N. Next, M. M. The ending sound for the letter M is m. M. Drum. Drum. The ending sound for the word drum is m. M. Next, jam. Jam. The ending sound for the word jam is m. M. Next, L. L. The ending sound for the letter L is l. L. Ball. Ball. The ending sound for the word ball is l. L. Next, wall. Wall. Here the ending sound for the word wall is l. L. The next letter is B. B. The ending sound for the letter B is b. B. Web. Web. The ending sound for the word web is b. B. Tub. Tub. The ending sound for the word tub is b. B. Next, X. X. The ending sound for the letter X is x. X. Box. Box. The ending sound for the word box is x. X. Fox. Fox. The ending sound for the word fox is x. X. R. R. The ending sound for the letter R is r. R. Star. Star. The ending sound for the word star is r. R. Door. Door. The ending sound for the word door is r. R. So children, today we have learnt the ending sounds for some letters. Thank you children.